In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Keep Notes. Whether you're looking to organize your digital resources or simply create backups of your notes, these methods will help you easily export your content and keep everything safe. Let's start with the first method. Begin by navigating to your Google Apps. You can do this by clicking the App Launcher, which is typically found in the top right corner of your Google homepage. Once there, locate Google Keep. You'll often find it among other Google services like Google Drive and Google Docs. Click on the icon labeled Keep to open your Google Keep dashboard where all your notes are stored. Once inside Google Keep, select any note that you want to export. With the note open, look for the More option, represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Copy to Google Docs. This feature allows you to seamlessly migrate your note into a Google Docs file, creating a convenient and accessible backup. After copying the note, a link will appear prompting you to open the document. Click Open to review your note, now safely stored in Google Docs. Next, let's explore the second method, which uses Google Takeout. In your browser, type takeout.google.com and press Enter. You'll be directed to the Google Takeout page, a service designed to help users download their data from various Google services. On this page, first click Deselect All since we're focusing specifically on Google Keep. Scroll through the list of services until you find Google Keep, then make sure it's the only option selected. With Google Keep selected, click Next Step. On the next page, you'll see options for export frequency and file type. To keep things simple, click Create Export. Google Takeout will begin compiling all your Google Keep notes into a downloadable file. Once the export process starts, keep an eye on your Gmail inbox. Google will send you an email notification when your export is ready. Open the email and follow the provided link to download your files. Finally, click Download to save your Google Keep notes to your local device. And there you have it. 2 efficient methods to export and secure your Google Keep notes. Whether you prefer backing up notes individually using Google Docs or downloading everything at once with Google Takeout, these steps ensure your valuable information stays safe. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!